The biggest threat to your success in 2025 won't be a lack of knowledge. The biggest threat to your success in 2025 won't be a lack of opportunities or resources. The biggest threat to your success in 2025 will be distractions around you. The world is fighting for your attention every second of every day. The ability to stay focused will be the ultimate superpower. And most people won't even realize they're losing until it's too late. If you don't learn how to master your attention, someone else will. And trust me, they won't use it for your success. Let me tell you something, it's almost unfair how easy it is to win in a world where everyone is glued to their phones, chasing quick dopamine hits. All you have to do is stay consistent, show up every day, and put in the work. And now, with AI by your side, the game has completely changed. Success has never been more achievable if you know how to play your cards right. All you need to do is cut off your distractions for a while, and focus on your thing. And here's the beauty of it, even if you have no idea what your passion is right now, that doesn't mean you're stuck. Look at the people who are already succeeding and just copy them. Study them. What are they doing? How are they turning their interests into income? This isn't cheating, it's how success works. It's about learning from those who've already cracked the code. The most successful people, entrepreneurs, creators, innovators, they didn't reinvent the wheel. They are just refining what already worked and making it their own. With AI, this becomes even easier, and I'll show you exactly how later in this video. So don't get stuck waiting for a light bulb moment. Start by borrowing brilliance. Use what's out there to ignite your path forward. Now, let's break this down step by step. Because once you understand how to channel your focus and pair it with the right tools, you'll realize that success isn't reserved for the elite, it's a formula anyone can replicate. There are 5 steps. Identify what works. Start small, scale big. Monetize strategically. Stay consistent. Experiment, learn, and adapt. Number 1. Identify what works. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to succeed. Start by identifying a niche or passion that excites you or interests you even slightly. If nothing comes to mind, don't worry. Instead, look at what's already working for others. Find creators, entrepreneurs, or businesses thriving in areas you're curious about. Are they selling courses? Are they building an audience on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or X? Or maybe they're writing blogs and monetizing through affiliate links or ads. Here's where AI comes in. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or even Google Trends to analyze these successful individuals. Input their names, topics, or industries into AI to generate insights. For example, ask ChatGPT, what strategies are working for creators in the personal development niche? It'll give you a breakdown of potential content ideas, engagement strategies, and monetization methods. Step number 2, start small, scale big. The biggest mistake most people make is trying to do everything at once. Don't fall into that trap. Instead, pick one platform or medium to focus on. For example, let's say you've chosen Instagram to grow your personal brand. Start by analyzing the kind of content that's performing well in your niche. Here's a secret, don't just ask ChatGPT for content ideas for our topic or niche. Instead, share your raw thoughts, opinions, or even a rough draft of what message you want to convey via your post or in your reel. And then let the AI polish it. For instance, instead of typing, write 10 Instagram captions about productivity. Try. Turn this into 3 engaging Instagram captions. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing less of the wrong things. You'll notice how the output feels more personalized, sharper, and aligned with your voice. The example I just gave is just about hooks, but you can write full posts or reel scripts using the same method. As you continue this process, AI tools like ChatGPT will adapt to your style, and over time, you'll develop a system where the AI produces content that feels like you wrote it. Number 3, monetize strategically. Once you've started building an audience or creating content, the next step is figuring out how to turn that into income. And here's the thing, not all platforms are created equal when it comes to monetization. For example, if you're in a visual niche, like fitness, food, or personal growth, platforms like Instagram or X are great for sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products. On the other hand, if your niche involves answering questions, teaching, or sharing detailed information, blogging and SEO might be a better route. Let's say you're into personal development, and you want to sell a course. Here's how you can use AI to streamline this process. Use ChatGPT to outline the course structure. For instance, create a 6-week course outline on how to build better habits. Dive deeper. For each module, ask, write a 500-word summary of Module 1, the science of habits. Refine it. Add your own insights and experiences to make it unique. And if you're thinking, I'm not an expert, why would anyone buy from me? Remember this, people don't just pay for information, they pay for how it's delivered. Your unique voice, perspective, and story are what make your product valuable. Step number 4, staying consistency. Here's the harsh truth, even with AI, even with the best strategies, the magic only happens when you show up consistently. This doesn't mean working 12-hour days or burning yourself out. It's about creating a system that works for you. For instance, use tools like Notion or Trello to organize your weekly content plan. Dedicate an hour every morning to brainstorming ideas, crafting posts, or refining your products. And let AI do the heavy lifting for repetitive tasks. Consistency is what separates the dreamers from the doers. Most people give up after a few weeks because they don't see immediate results. But the ones who stick around, the ones who keep posting, keep refining, keep improving, they're the ones who succeed. And number 5, experiment, learn, and adapt. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of using AI is that it allows you to test ideas quickly. Like if you want to try a new type of content, you can immediately ask ChatGPT to help you write it. Or if you are thinking of launching a product, you can use AI to validate your idea by generating customer personas and feedback questions. For example, if you're considering a blog on productivity, ask, what topics are currently trending in the productivity niche? Then create a few posts, track their performance, and double down on what works. The key is to treat this entire process as a learning journey. You're not aiming for perfection, you're aiming for progress. And here's where it all ties together, AI is your partner in success. It doesn't replace your creativity or effort, it in fact amplifies it. By using AI strategically, you can turn your passion into profit faster and with less friction than ever before. So, if you're ready to take control of your future, stick around because in the next section, I'll show you exactly how to build your roadmap to financial freedom in 2025. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's dig deeper into the practical steps you can take to turn your passion, or even just an idea, into a profitable reality. Here's the thing that most people don't realize, AI isn't just a tool, it's a collaborator. And like any good collaborator, it gets better the more you work with it. Take ChatGPT, for example. It has a memory function, which means that if you consistently feed it your ideas, your tone, and your raw thoughts, it starts to adapt to your unique style of thinking. Let's say you're building an audience on X, formerly known as Twitter. Instead of asking ChatGPT for generic tweet ideas, share your raw thoughts first. Let's take our previous example. Instead of asking Chat a generic thing like write me a tweet on your topic, give your raw idea like this. I believe that productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing less of the wrong things. Turn this into a series of 3 tweets. Over time, as you keep refining its responses and giving feedback, ChatGPT learns. At a certain point, you can simply ask it for 10 tweets about productivity, and the ideas it generates will feel like they came straight from your own brain. This process applies to anything, blogs, Instagram captions, even email newsletters. AI becomes an extension of your creativity, amplifying your voice instead of replacing it. Not every passion or product is best suited for social media. For some niches, like softwares or niche hobbies, a better way to build a business is through blogging and SEO. Here's how you can use AI to dominate this space. Generate blog ideas. Start by researching what people are searching for in your niche. Ask ChatGPT, what are the most common questions people have about productivity hacks? You'll instantly get a list of potential blog topics. Write smarter, not harder. Once you have your topic, write a rough outline of what you want to say. It doesn't have to be polished. Feed it to ChatGPT and ask it to flesh out your points. This isn't cheating, it's teamwork. For example, here's my outline. 1. Why productivity matters. 2. The biggest distractions today. 3. How to focus better. Turn this into a 1,000-word blog post. Refine and optimize. After the AI generates the content, make it your own. Add personal stories, examples, or opinions that reflect your unique perspective. This is how you stand out. Over time, your blogs will start ranking on search engines, driving consistent traffic to your website. And the best part? Blogs are evergreen. A post you write today can generate income for years through ads, affiliate links, or product sales. Scaling your income streams. Now, here's where things get exciting. Once you've started building an audience or generating traffic, it's time to think bigger. This isn't just about making a few extra bucks, it's about creating systems that generate income while you sleep. For example, if you're building a following on Instagram, you could start offering digital products like ebooks or courses. But don't just create anything. Look at what your audience is already engaging with and ask yourself, what problem can I help them solve? Use AI to streamline the process. Ask ChatGPT to outline the structure of your course. Use design tools like Canva to create visually appealing ebooks. Automate email marketing with platforms like MailChimp, using AI to draft engaging emails. And for those of you exploring blogging, affiliate marketing is a game changer. Find products or services you genuinely believe in, and create content around them. Again, AI can help you write persuasive reviews, tutorials, or guides that drive clicks and conversions. Leveraging AI to stay ahead. The reason so many people fail isn't because they don't work hard, it's because they stop learning. They stick to what's comfortable and never explore new tools or strategies. Don't let that be you. With AI, you have access to a wealth of possibilities. For example, use AI to analyze your competitors. Stay updated on trends by asking tools like ChatGPT what's currently popular in your niche. Automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on what truly matters, strategy and creativity. This doesn't mean you'll never hit roadblocks. You will. But the key is to keep experimenting and adapting. Think of every failure as a stepping stone to success. Borrowing brilliance without losing yourself. Let's revisit the idea of copying others. This isn't about becoming a clone of someone else. It's about learning from those who've walked the path before you, then making it your own. Suppose your passion is fitness. You notice that influencers in this niche are killing it with short, high-energy videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Instead of just copying their videos, study what works. What's their tone? What's their hook? How are they engaging their audience? Then, combine their strategies with your unique perspective. Maybe you focus on workouts for busy professionals or nutrition tips for beginners. AI can help you brainstorm content ideas, but it's your voice and vision that make the difference. And here's the best part, the tools and opportunities available today mean you don't have to wait years to see results. With AI by your side, you can accelerate the process, scaling your passion into profit faster than ever before. In the next section, I'll dive into specific strategies for building an unstoppable momentum. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these insights will ensure 2025 is the year you take control of your future. Building momentum with small wins. Momentum is one of the most underrated aspects of success. Most people think they need to hit a home run right out of the gate, but the truth is, success is built on small, consistent wins. Start with achievable goals. If you're creating content, don't aim for viral posts right away. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content for a small, engaged audience. If you're launching a product, don't stress about hitting $10,000 in the first month. Aim for your first sale, then your first 10. AI can help you here, too. Let's say you're trying to post consistently on Instagram. Use AI to create a week's worth of captions, plan them out, and schedule them using tools like Buffer or Later. The key is to keep moving. Every piece of content you post, every product you launch, and every email you send is a step forward. Over time, these small wins snowball into massive progress. Creating a feedback loop. Here's something the most successful people do that others overlook. They don't just create, they measure and adapt. When you're starting out, feedback is your best friend. Look at your analytics. Which posts are getting the most engagement? Which products are driving the most sales? Which blog topics are bringing in the most traffic? Once you identify what's working, double down on it. Use AI tools to analyze patterns and trends in your data. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to help interpret website traffic reports or social media analytics. And don't be afraid to ask your audience directly. Tools like Google Forms or Typeform make it easy to collect feedback on what your audience wants more of. This feedback loop ensures that you're always improving and evolving, turning challenges into opportunities. Let's be real, the path to success isn't always smooth. You're going to face setbacks, whether it's a post that flops, a product that doesn't sell, or a strategy that doesn't deliver the results you expected. But here's the mindset shift: every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Did your Instagram post not perform well? Analyze why. Maybe the caption didn't resonate, or the timing was off. Did your blog fail to drive traffic? Check if the topic is oversaturated or if the SEO needs tweaking. AI can help you troubleshoot these issues. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "Why might this Instagram caption not be engaging? How can I improve it?" Or, "How can I make this blog more SEO friendly?" Treat every obstacle as a puzzle to solve, and over time, you'll become not just more skilled but more resilient. Automating and scaling. Once you've found your rhythm and identified what works, it's time to think about scaling. This is where automation becomes your best friend. For instance, use AI to batch create content for a month in advance. Automate email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and drive sales. Set up systems for passive income, like affiliate marketing, digital products, or subscription services. Imagine this: you're asleep, and while you rest, your blog is generating ad revenue, your Instagram is driving sales through affiliate links, and your email list is promoting your latest course. That's the power of automation and scaling. AI makes all of this easier by taking care of the repetitive tasks, leaving you free to focus on strategy and creativity, playing the long game. Finally, let's talk about the big picture. Success in 2025 and beyond isn't just about quick wins. It's about building something sustainable. This means staying consistent, yes, but also staying curious. The world is changing faster than ever, and those who succeed are the ones who keep learning, experimenting, and adapting. AI is a tool, but it's your mindset, your work ethic, and your ability to stay focused that will determine your success. Remember, the biggest threat isn't the competition, it's the distractions that pull you away from your goals. So, as you move forward, keep asking yourself, what's working? What can I improve? How can I use AI to make this process easier and more effective? With these questions guiding you, there's no limit to what you can achieve. The takeaway. If there's one thing I want you to remember from this video, it's this: the game has changed. With AI by your side, success is more achievable than ever before. But the tools alone won't get you there. It's about how you use them, how you combine focus, consistency, and strategy to create something meaningful. So, whether you're starting from zero or already on your journey, know this: 2025 is your year. The only thing standing between you and success is the decision to start. And with AI as your ally, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it.